What is up everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix screen won't turn on in Narzo N63. So watch this video carefully and follow every step as I'm showing in video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and here you can see the option system and update. Now click on it and then click on backup and reset. Now here you can see the option reset phone. Now click on it and then here you can see the option reset all settings. Now click on reset all settings and here enter your password to reset your all settings. After reset all the settings, then go back and click on erase all data. Now here enter your password to erase all data. Erase all data basically means factory data reset. It will remove all the data in your device like photos, videos, documents. Everything will be removed in your device. After do factory data reset, then go back to your home screen and restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold power button and then swipe up to restart your device. After doing these steps, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.